Civil danger for the city of Auburn. The following message is transmitted at the request of the New Hampshire State Police. An unknown creature has been spotted roaming around the city of Auburn. This creature has the following characteristics: sinner, pale skin, with a different appearance. It's unknown if this creature is hostile or not, but the Auburn Police Department will try to get more information about this creature. Residents are advised to remain vigilant. If you see any suspicious activities, call 911.
Looks like you could use some help from the big boss of hell himself. Chugga Daddy's glowing reviews on Yelp. 5 star, flawless, really great. With a punch of a pentagram, a whack bam boom, a la Kazam. Usually I charge a sacrificial lamb, but you get the family rate. Thanks, Dad. Who needs a busboy now that you've got the chef? Michelin tasting menu free, a la carte. I'll rig the game for you because I'm the ref. Champagne fountains, caviar mountains, that's just the start.
Civil danger for the state of New Hampshire. The following message is transmitted at the request of the New Hampshire State Police. The demon has been reported destroying skyscraper and other buildings through the state of New Hampshire. In addition, the name of the demon has been confirmed to be Alastair from Hazbin Hotel. Alastair is believed to be extremely dangerous and should not be approached. All residents in New Hampshire are advised to seek shelter immediate and not go outside. If you go outside, you will face certain death. If Alastair has entered your home, use firearms if necessary. Tune into local TV or radio stations for further information.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the New Hampshire State Emergency Management. This is an update to the civil danger warning that was issued 7 hours ago. At approximately 1:21 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Alastair has been reported to be extremely dangerous and should not be approached. Because of this, 56 fatalities and 386 injuries have been reported throughout this situation. An involuntary evacuation order is now issued for the state of New Hampshire. Grab essential supplies, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, and a battery-powered radio. Once you have evacuated, do not return to the evacuated area, unless it is safe to do so by the authorities. tie a bright-colored towel to let authorities know that you've evacuated. Since then, radio stations have been going off the air until further notice. Do not pick up children from schools, hospitals, and nursing homes, as these facilities have their own evacuation procedures. All residents with a battery-powered radio, it may be pointless to use a radio since it has been going off the air. Until then, tune into local news stations until the situation has been resolved. Tuned into local news outlets for further information. Normal programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station or cable system has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is Trinity, and we will continue to serve the Auburn, New Hampshire area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. Do not use the telephone line, as they will be kept open for emergency use. This cable system will continue furnishing news, information and instructions to the Auburn, New Hampshire area. It is important that we listen to stations providing news and information for your local area. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At approximately 5:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, reports of very large demon that was spotted in Auburn has been seen in the entire nation of the United States. This demon has been reported to be named Alaster, a radio demon, that is from a drama show called Hazbin. Hotel. Alaster is reported to be extremely dangerous and should not be approached. 661 fatalities have been reported throughout the United States, and 66,218 injuries have been reported. Red clouds have been forming throughout the country, and result in certain death. All residents are advised to seek shelter immediately. Grab essential supplies, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, flashlight, and a battery-powered radio. Do not leave your shelter, as you are putting your life in extreme danger. If you go near Alaster, you are putting your life at extreme risk. Martial law is now in effect for the entirety of the United States. Stay tuned to local outlets for further information about this dangerous and life-threatening situation.
All clear. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The danger to civilians has stopped. Alaster has been defeated by the teams and the military. Alaster have been confirmed to be 100% dead, with no point of coming back. All residents can exit their shelters. However, due to the mass destruction caused by Alaster, it will take approximately 6 years to repair the country. You government thanks you for your cooperation. Normal programming may now resume.